Hi guys, so as I'm waiting for my nose strip to finish, I wanted to show you my nails. And as you can see, I've been having this nail from about like 3 weeks. I guess more than 3 weeks actually, about 4 weeks, which is good. So I have like a nice growth for my natural nail, and they are still intact. Actually, it's perfectly good. This is my other hand. As you can see, it's so good. Really, this one you can see the nail growth. It's perfect, and there's a little bit of lifting, but not that much. It doesn't hurt. It's just like it's not coming out like all the way. It's just a little bit of lifting, but not all in all the nails. Some of them it's perfectly good, still good. I can go for another couple of days with them, but I wanted to change them because I don't like my nails to look bad or something. I can clean around them a bit because I did that once. As I began to grow a little bit, I cleaned the area around the cuticle a bit and have this kind of a shiny, glittery nail polish over. So yeah, love it. Just mentioning, these Polygel nails is from ModelOne, and I have it on my natural nails, and I have a really thick kind of nail. Don't look underneath, it looks messy. I really need to adjust it, I know, but it's kind of a thick one because the very fine ones doesn't work at all. So yeah, this is basically it. I'm so happy they're still strong, and actually the lifting is nothing comparing to the gel lifting because I used to do a gel nails, but Polygel, I really love it more. I really love it. So this is for this video. I really hope you like it. I just wanted to update you with my nails and how they look. So yeah, bye.